Welcome to Ehla's Tuition. Basic structure of an HTML document. All HTML pages begin with the tag HTML and end with the tag /HTML. And there are mainly two sections. The first one is head section and the second one is body section. The head tag is used to define the head section. Head tag is used to define the head section, and the body tag is used to define the body section. Head tag is used to define the head section. The head section contains the information about the documents, including the title of the web page. Title tag is used to define the title of the page, which will be displayed on the title bar of the browser window. Here our title is, this is the title of the web page. And the body tag is used to define the body section. The body section contains the content to be displayed in the web page. Our content is hello, welcome to the world of web page. Write the program in Notepad. This is our program. HTML header title is, this is the title of the web page, and body is body covers hello, welcome to the world of web page. Then body closes, then HTML closes. Save as sample.html. Open this sample.html. You can see that this is the title of the web page. Title shows this is the title of the web page, and the body is hello, welcome to the world of web pages. You want to change any of this data. Hi. Hello. Save again. That will change us here. Hi. Hello. Comment your doubts. Subscribe the channel to get the next video. Thank you.